Republican race and crush him in the general national presidential race. And by the way, I think that's exactly what's going on. Now, to be fair, they thought they were doing that in 2016 and they lost, but they're trying to do a rematch at 2020, except it was a much more weakened Trump. I was going to say, they understood, they made changes between 2016 and 2020 that showed they learned from how Trump was able to beat Hillary in 2016 and to try to neutralize some of those advantages. Hiding Biden in the basement. Yeah, they used COVID as the excuse, but keeping Biden away from the public and having only the most stage-managed situations for him was effective for Biden. That was actually a smart strategy. It feels gross, it feels dishonest, but it was effective for him. Not covering the Trump rallies on any of the non-Fox networks. They weren't running any Trump rallies. Now, there weren't rallies in the traditional sense, but even when they were doing virtual, they did some, when they did virtual rallies, and tried to do, virtual events, and had Trump doing speaking, they weren't covering him the way they did in 2016. He didn't get the free media boost. That's right. So you can assume all of that's going to happen this time. Now they're adding to all of that, all of the lawsuits. And I gotta say, they're going to bring the charge in Georgia. And the charges they're not rinky-dink like the, Alvin Bragg, nonsense, right? And the payoff, that he didn't list it. You can't even remember it. It's so stupid to make this sector anyway. They're going to bring charges. And by the way, I think it's nonsense. But what I think doesn't matter, because I'm not the prosecutor in Georgia who has this power. And I'm not the jury that he's going to face in Georgia who has this power. They're going to bring charges, Clay, that go along the lines of conspiracy to commit election fraud and racketeering. And we still may get Department of Justice charges, too. Yeah. So, when you're talking racketeering, folks, you're talking about the possibility of prison time now. Now you're talking, which is a whole other thing. So we'll come back, but this is what we got to be ready for. We got to understand how crazy the side is. While the Biden administration considers declaring a public health emergency on abortion to further their own agenda, we're taking a different approach on this important topic. We pay attention to each unborn child and each mother, making sure they have enough support and information to make the right decision. That's why we continue to partner with the preborn network of clinics nationwide. They may be a new name to you, preborn clinics. They've been working every day for 17 plus years, welcoming pregnant mothers into their clinics and providing them with an ultrasound experience so they can meet their unborn child and learn all about the support and resources that they can get from preborn. Preborn seeks these women out before they make the ultimate decision here and introduces them to the life growing inside them through that free ultrasound. Once she hears that heartbeat and sees that precious life, the majority of the time, she will choose life. Preborn clinics rely on donations from you and me, not in government funding. $28 per step. But what seems fair? $10, $1,000, $50. Either tax deductible donation and every dollar. I'll see you in Pontenecchio. What are your kids doing this summer? How about summer at Jen with camp, classes, for girls and boys, grades 1 through 12, sports, robotics, drama, full-day camp marauder as well, and high school credit courses. Go to summeratjesuit.com. Funded by USDA grants and equal opportunity provided and enjoyed. More healthy victories at SouthwestHealthyLiving.org.
This is Matt Coker from West Coast Men's Health. I'm proud to let you know that nationwide, our clinics have a 4.7 out of 5-star rating on Google. This tells you that our patients are really seeing results. Here's what some of them are saying. The results are
Slow down.
On top of that, the staff and the scheduling are top notch. And my technician is a consummate professional. Another patient said, I called
People speeding through here like always, but no one cares. The police don't even fucking care around here. As usual, lawless and lawless. That's all people want. It's too much of it.